Welcome friends, you are watching Linux for You YouTube channel and my name is Sushil Sharma and today's topic is how to reset the forgot password in 5 minutes, and it is a real exam of RHCSA EX200 in latest RHEL 10. So we are making the videos for scholars who want to pass the RHCSA exam. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos, right? Every day I am uploading one video. So stay tuned for this channel and subscribe and like. So let's go to the Red Hat machine where we are assuming that the Linux administrator is forgot the password, and otherwise you will not be able to log in, right? So first, when you turn on the Red Hat machine, you have to press the Shift key, right? So when you turn on the machine, you have to press the Shift key. Then grub boot menu will appear like this. So you are seeing here the grub boot menu, and in this boot menu you have to press the edit. To edit the grub menu you have to press E for edit, and after that you have find the line Linux or Linux EFI. So when you find this line, then go to the last of this line. In the last some words are written like RHGB quiet, right? So here you have to modify this line, right? So after RHGB quiet you have to add some words, right? So what you need to add? Let's see. You have to add here RW means read write space init is equal to /bin /bash. So carefully you have to write here at the last line of end of the Linux line. Quiet space RW space init is equal to bin bash, and then press Ctrl X. So we are going to the emergency shell root shell so that we can change the password. So why we are added here RW? RW means we want that our root file system is in which mode? Read and write mode. So it will become mounted in read write mode. Otherwise, we are not able to do anything. So first we will check that our file system is mounted well in read write mode or not, and then we will go ahead, right? So this root shell, we are going to reset the password. So remember that first you need to see the root file system mounting mode, right? Now you are entering in the bash shell. So I am increasing the font size by running the command set font space -d. So font is increased so that you can see the command very well, right? So how you can see that your root file system is mounted as read write? So see the command mount space pipeline space grep root. So this command will tell you that you are mounting how. Can you see here RW? So your root file system is mounted as read write mode. So it means you can change anything in the file system and you can reset your password. Suppose this is not mounting in read write mode, it is mounted in read only mode. Then you have to run the command. So this time there is no need to run the command, but if because of any reason it is not mounting as read write mode, it is mounted as a read only mode, then you have to run the command mount -o remount comma rw space root symbol. So if it is not mounted in rw mode, you have to run this command, but right now it is not needed. So let's go ahead and reset our password, right? So by which command we can reset the password? Passwd root. So we are changing the root password. So enter the password that you want, and after that you can see here all tokens updated successfully, right? So this way we have reset our root password, right? One more thing that most of the admins or students scholars are forgetting here: if SELinux is not taken care, then you will not be able to log in, right? So remember, some of the time some of the scholars will forget this command. So we are doing what? We are relabeling the SELinux. How? The command is touch space forward slash dot auto relabel. So through this command, we are relabeling the SELinux to all files, all file system. Okay. Now how to verify? ls-la space forward slash dot auto relabel. Now it is showing you the file dot auto relabel, right? So this is the important task. After that, we have to run a command sync. What is the purpose of sync? Sync command will force all file system buffers to the hard disk so that everything will be written to the disk immediately. And after that, you have to reboot the system by the command exec has been reboot -f forcefully. So this way your system is rebooting, and press enter, go normally, and try to log in as a root. So in some time it will show you the login screen, but it will take time because in the background the SELinux relabeling is going on. So it will take time to log in, right? So it will take some time to log in. Now the login screen is presented and you have to click on the not listed, right? So we want to log in as a root user. So click on not listed, enter the username root, and enter the password just you have changed, right? And after that log into this Red Hat machine. And after that we are verifying that uh, our SELinux is working well or not, we are able to log in or not. So in few moments we will open the terminal and checking the things, right? So wait for some moments. Now after login and opening the terminal, we are checking which user we have logged in. So the command is who am I. So you can see that we have logged in this server as a root user. And what is the SELinux mode? So how you can see the SELinux is working well or not? The command is get enforce. So as SELinux is working well, it is enforcing mode, right? So this was the RHCSA exam video. So every day I'm uploading the one video and we are helping the scholars to pass the RHCSA exam. So please help us to grow and subscribe my channel and like my videos. And wait for my next video tomorrow, right? Stay tuned. Thank you very much.